Hey everybody, welcome back to Holt Growers. I'm your host Timothy Holt and this is my backyard. So I'm standing here in what will become the greenhouse, as you can probably tell behind me. And today we're focusing on winter garlic. You can probably hear our chickens in the background. They're collecting away. It is a gorgeous 80 plus, almost 90 degree weather out here in western Pennsylvania. And let's get right to it. The garlic we're talking about today, we planted last fall, late October, early November, and we had it under a low tunnel almost all winter up until late February, early March. You can check out those videos and in the history of this channel. So it's time to harvest and time to pull it out. So let's get right to it. Alright, as you can see, this is the garlic. It's sandwiched between our new bed rows, which right there are some bush beans. We've got our tomatoes over there. We've got some peas and radishes coming up there, and some more bush beans, and then radishes and peas over here. Right here in the middle is that winter garlic. I didn't want to pull it up earlier in the spring because it wasn't ready and I didn't want to waste it. So it is ready to come up. We've had a couple of days of dry weather and the soil is loose, so it should pull up pretty easy. I already started with our bin right here, and as you can see, this stuff is gorgeous. Look at that. We can knock off that big clump of dirt right there. Okay, but if you look at that, nice clean stalk. We've got the dry leaves there at the bottom. That's a good indicator that it's ready to come out. And then our nice big bulb. So what we're gonna do with this now, once we get this entire bed harvested, we will take this beautiful garlic and we're either gonna braid it or we're gonna bunch it, but then we're gonna hang it up in our garage or underneath our porch, probably underneath the back porch, so it can air out and dry for the next few weeks. Then it will be ready for sale. So if you like garlic, fresh garlic, farm fresh, all natural garlic, no herbicides, no pesticides, give me a buzz. This garlic's gonna be ready probably end of July. If you're looking to store it for drying purposes, if you want it fresh, it will be ready after today once we get it all out and cleaned up. So, not a real long video this time, but that is our winter garlic. All of this is coming out today, and get out, grow something today. Check out the rest of the content on this channel, and if you have any comments on winter garlic or the farm operation here, let me know. Leave comments and feel free and subscribe. Just giving you a little panoramic view of what we got going on here. These are peas, and over there are new beds going in. We're still prepping that. So get out, grow something today, and may God richly bless you.